So you see like how like depending on your world, like how you allocate people would be like very different. And then this model says like let's just smile, let's put everybody together, and like it's going to be wonderful. This is like a Montessori school, for example, right? And then this is kind of like the Golden State model or like the Ivy League model, the Steph Curry model. And so what I want you to do between today and tomorrow, so in the last 2 minutes I'll give you a little bit of homework. In your groups, come up with like 3 examples of context where you believe that pair facts are important, right? And write down like which models do you think best describe those particular contexts, right? Is it this kind of linear inference model, or is it going to be one of these 6 models here too? And so going back to the question that was asked earlier in the lecture, so something that could appear in an exam can be a conceptual question where you're asked to distinguish between these, or you're given a particular context and you make an argument for like why one model fits relative to the rest. We still have 2 more minutes before we're done. Are there any questions on what we've talked about today?
What would be an example of the shining light? Like, it just doesn't seem realistic in a classroom setting.
Oh, in a classroom setting? So you just have that kid who like you know is going to be like a Nobel Prize winner. I mean, this kid is definitely going to go to, this kid is a Palmetto Scholar, X, Y, Z, and just everybody is really inspired by that person, right? So you're thinking about like a classroom, you can think of
In context of like a band or music setting.
Yeah, yes.
One is just so far above better than
Yeah, I think this, I mean like this was LeBron James on the Cleveland Cavaliers like circa 2006, right? And even like circa like this past year where like he had to really be out there like doing amazing things before Kyrie Irving recognized that, hey, I went to Duke and I can actually play basketball.
Yeah, that's like a team sport. I get that. But, I don't know.
What about in your groups? Oh, sorry.
An example like from experience is like I had for my statistics class I had a professor that didn't speak English, and one of the students like already knew statistics and was just like brilliant at it, so he basically like taught my class. So like something like he would explain to the teacher what the students weren't understanding. So like someone like that's like, because they're so advanced, like they make up for other negative aspects in the environment.
Yeah, no, that's a great example. So we are out of time. I know some of you have classes. If you have questions, you can come up to me afterwards. But read the papers for next class, and if you come up with those 3 examples, that can be put into these categories.